Hey there, happy campers. It's John Melley. We've just had a huge snowstorm here, and I've just finished shoveling. My wife Ann, the lovely Ann, and I have just finished. Check this out. This is our winter wonderland up here in beautiful Boston. Get that door. So don't heat all of outdoors, as my mother used to say. My mother still says. So, give you an idea. That's around to the back, and then this. See how high the snowbanks are? Wave hi to the crowd, Ann. Yeah, huge. We've been on all this shoveling today. Almost up to the windows in the house. People got their snow blowers out. It's lovely. Heavens to Murgatroyd. We still haven't cleaned the cars off yet. And then I like to refer to this back here as the Matterhorn. Can't really tell because of the snowdrift, but that's one big you-know-what kahuna snowbank. I much prefer the Matterhorn ride at Disneyland. Alright. Ta-ta for now. This blows. I'm out of here next winter. You will not find me here.